Welcome to Freedomfully, where we cultivate your retirement journey together.
In our visually saturated world, we are constantly bombarded with images. We scroll through them on our phones, we see them on our screens, and we are surrounded by them in our daily lives. But how often do we truly see the world around us? How often do we take the time to pause, to look closely, and to appreciate the incredible beauty that is all around us in every moment? This is the gift of mindful photography. It is a practice that invites us to slow down, to pay attention, and to see the world with fresh eyes. It is a way to transform the simple act of taking a picture into a profound and a beautiful meditation. Mindful photography is not about having the fanciest camera or about taking the perfect shot. It is about the process. It is about the experience of being fully present with your subject, of connecting with the beauty of the moment, and of seeing the world in a new and a more intimate way. In this video, we will be your guide to the healing and the transformative power of mindful photography, a simple and a joyful path to a more present, a more creative, and a more beautiful life. The beauty of mindful photography is that you can do it anywhere, at any time, with any camera. You can use a professional DSLR, a simple point and shoot, or even the camera on your smartphone. The tool is not important. What is important is your intention. The intention to be present, the intention to be curious, and the intention to see the beauty in the ordinary. One of the most profound healing benefits of mindful photography is its ability to cultivate a state of mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of paying attention to the present moment, on purpose and without judgment. It is a practice that has been shown to reduce stress, to improve focus, and to increase our overall sense of well-being. When you are practicing mindful photography, you are fully engaged in the present moment. You are not thinking about the past or about the future. You are simply there, with your subject, in a state of open and a curious awareness. You are noticing the light, the shadow, the texture, the color. You are seeing the world in a way that you have never seen it before. And in this state of deep and a profound presence, you can find a sense of peace, of calm, and of deep and a lasting joy. Mindful photography can also be a powerful tool for cultivating gratitude. As you begin to look at the world through the lens of a camera, you will start to notice the incredible beauty that is all around you, in the most unexpected of places. You will see the intricate patterns in a leaf, the way the light dances on a puddle of water, the gentle curve of a sleeping cat. You will start to see the world as a work of art, a masterpiece of a million tiny miracles. And as you begin to capture these moments of beauty, you will feel a deep and a profound sense of gratitude for the simple and the beautiful gift of being alive.
Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe.
So, how do you begin? The first step is to simply slow down. Before you even pick up your camera, take a few moments to simply be in your environment. Take a few deep breaths. Notice the sights, the sounds, the smells. And then, let your curiosity be your guide. What catches your eye? What sparks your interest? Don't try to force it. Just allow yourself to be drawn to whatever it is that is calling to you. It could be something as grand as a beautiful sunset, or as simple as a crack in the sidewalk. Once you have found your subject, take some time to really get to know it. Walk around it. Look at it from different angles. Get up close. Step back. Notice the way the light is hitting it. Notice the shadows it is casting. Notice the textures, the colors, the shapes. And then, when you feel a sense of connection with your subject, when you feel like you have really seen it, then you can pick up your camera. But even then, don't rush. Take a few more moments to compose your shot. Think about what you want to include in the frame and what you want to leave out. And then, when you are ready, gently press the shutter. After you have taken your photo, take a moment to look at it, but don't judge it. Don't worry about whether it is a good photo or a bad photo. Simply look at it as a record of your experience, a reminder of a moment of beauty and of presence. The goal of mindful photography is not to create a portfolio of perfect pictures. The goal is to create a portfolio of beautiful moments. Mindful photography is a simple, a beautiful, and a deeply healing practice that can bring a sense of wonder, of joy, and of gratitude to your life. It is a way to see the world with the eyes of an artist, with the heart of a poet, and with the soul of a mystic. It is a way to fall in love with the world all over again, every single day. So, pick up your camera, go for a walk, and see what beauty is waiting to be discovered as you continue building freedom fully.